When it comes to keeping cameras powered up during shoots, we all know how frustrating it is to run out of juice at the wrong moment. And for photographers and filmmakers who are constantly juggling gear, having a reliable battery solution isn't just convenient, it's essential. That's why we've been testing the Photoolex BB Pro camera battery charger kit. And gotta say, it's crafted for creators who need flexibility without fuss. Let's dive in. Right out of the box, you will appreciate the build quality. Looks tough, handy, overall it's nice. And the kit comes with the BB Pro charger, an optional BB Battery Pro, a USB-C to C cable, and a storage pouch. Everything has its place, and it's easy to carry around without adding bulk. The mechanism for inserting and removing batteries is sturdy but smooth. And the interface is simple enough that even during busy shoots, we didn't need to think twice. Then comes one feature we really appreciated, the dual battery charging capability. You can charge 2 camera batteries at the same time, which saves a lot of downtime. Charging 2 batteries usually takes about 2 to 2.5 hours, although the exact time depends on the battery capacity. For example, batteries around 2130 to 2280 mAh take about 2 hours, while larger ones around 2400 to 2600 mAh may take closer to 2.5 hours. Well, the way it handles batteries is also smooth. Press the bottom latch, slide the battery in, and charging begins automatically. Removing it feels just as easy with the internal release tab. There's no struggle and no awkward movement. It feels intuitive, which matters a lot when every minute counts during a shoot. Well, that is not all. This charger is not only a charger, it also works as a built-in battery pack with a capacity of 16,500 mAh. In many cases, that capacity can recharge about 3 camera batteries, although the exact number depends on the battery size. It also works as a high-output power bank. The built-in USB-C charging cable supports up to 100 watts for both input and output, and the USB-C port itself can also deliver up to 100 watts of output. There's also an 18-watt USB-A port for smaller devices. When all 3 ports work together, the maximum combined output can reach 133 watts. So you can run laptops, monitors, and other gear during editing sessions, and it will handle the load without trouble. That dual role makes it very practical for creators like us who move between locations and can't stop because of power limits. Now, the display on the BB Pro deserves attention because it provides useful information. With simple button controls, you can switch between different screens that show input and output power, battery levels, and voltage in real time. The screen can also show the internal battery status of the BB Pro charger itself. You can see remaining battery level, temperature, health status, and even the charge cycle count. Having this information directly on the screen makes it much easier to manage power during long shoots. Now, the app connectivity is another layer that really elevates the experience. Pair the BB Pro with the Photoolex app, and you can monitor your batteries, check status, and even update firmware. Firmware updates are supported for the BB Battery Pro battery. All you have to do is just insert the battery, connect to the app, and in a few minutes, it's ready with the latest software. For creators who rely on older gear or swap between different batteries, this removes a lot of headaches. We didn't have to worry about compatibility, and it felt like the charger adapts to our existing workflow instead of forcing us to adjust. Performance-wise, that high power ports are reliable even under heavy load. We were able to run 2 batteries while powering other devices, and the charger didn't heat up excessively. The screen provides real-time feedback, which is something we've wanted from a charger for a long time. No guessing, no surprises. And because it can double as a power bank, we could leave our other chargers at home, which is always a win for travel shoots. Overall, the Photoolex BB Pro feels like a thoughtful companion for creators who value efficiency and reliability. Dual battery charging, high power outputs, intuitive displays, and app integration make it a flexible tool for anyone who needs consistent power for cameras and accessories. For anyone shooting weddings, documentaries, or content that requires long hours and multiple devices, this charger kit reduces the friction between you and your craft. You spend less time worrying about power and more time focusing on the shot. If you're looking for a charger that works as hard as you do, gives clear feedback, and keeps your batteries and devices ready at all times, the Photoolex BB Pro camera battery charger kit is worth checking out. That was all. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more news and reviews.